2 years ago, I stopped posting my drawings online, not because I stopped drawings, but because I started questioning everything about art, creativity, and time. And today, this is my first video back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an hyperrealism eye step by step. Or more importantly, I want to talk about the things I learned during these 2 quiet years away from posting. First of all, my name is Ezekiel. I'm a hyperrealism pencil artist, and for me, drawing has never just been about making pictures. It's about understanding how we see the world. Because when you really think about it, drawing is simply learning how to see. One of the biggest mistakes beginner makes when drawing eyes is thinking the eyes is just an eye. But an eye is not an object, it's a structure, it's skin, muzzle, moisture, light reflection, eyelashes, pores, all working together. So before you try to draw details, you must understand the structure. What I'm doing here first is creating the basic proportion, not shading yet, just structure. Because realism starts with accuracy, not with darkness. Most people try jump straight into shading, but the truth is, realistic drawing is about patience. If you rush the foundation, the detail will never save the drawings. During the 2 years I stopped posting online, something interesting happened. I started studying art differently. Instead of drawing to just impress people, I started drawing to understand reality. One of the biggest secrets of hyperrealism is this: artists don't see more than other people, we simply observe longer. Something interesting about drawing hyperrealism is how much time it requires. Sometimes a single eye can take hours, but that time isn't wasted, it's invested in learning how to see. If you're watching this and you're learning how to draw, don't rush the process. Every artist you admire started exactly where you are. Light is everything in realism. Without light, there is no form. Without shadow, there is no depth. Drawing is simply the art of controlling light. One of my favorite parts of drawing eyes is the reflection, because that is where the eyes becomes alive. Eyes is powerful because they carry emotions, and when you draw them correctly, the drawing start looking back at you. Come to think of it, drawing eyelashes is quite funny, because if you draw them perfectly straight, they looks fake, but if you draw them slightly messy, suddenly the drawing becomes real. So apparently, realism is just controlled imperfection. While shading the lower eyelids, I want to notice something. Looking closely at the skin around the eyes, it's not smooth. It is full of micro textures, pores, tiny shadows. But if you want realism, you must respect those imperfections. In hyperrealism drawing, consistency is key. You don't learn in one day, you learn gradually. So the more you draw, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you get used to the environment, and the more you get used to the environment, the more you enjoy it, obviously. And one thing about hyperrealism is, no matter how long it takes you to do, the more you are seeing your result, the result, what exactly you've been picturing in your head, the more interesting it becomes. So if you are drawing hyperrealism, don't look at the time, just make sure you go on and you continue. Another trick for realism is air direction. Air never grows randomly. There is always a natural flow. But once you understand that flow, the eyebrows start to look alive. One of the hardest things in drawing is learning to draw what you see instead of what you think you see. Your brain simplify objects. For example, we think the white part of an eye is white, but if you really observe it, you will see shadows, soft gray, and subtle reflection. So, observation must override imagination when drawing realism. So this is the final drawings, my first video after 2 years away. And if you are watching this, thank you for being part of this comeback. And this channel isn't just about drawing, it is about learning how to see and learning how to create. This is just the beginning, and I promise there are many more drawing coming. So thank you so much for watching to this moment. Please, if you enjoy this content, you can kindly subscribe and press the notification bell.